All right, EV Texans. We are at IKEA in Frisco, Texas.
Texas, off of Dallas North Freeway and Sam Raybourne Road 121.
So if you looked at the Electrify America app, you will see this listed as coming soon if you have that option enabled. So here we go. Construction has started. It'll be, for some reason, in the back of the store. And if you see up there, I believe there will be 6 chargers here at this location. And that thing going across the trench is probably where the transformer is going to go, or cabinets or something. Yeah, we're not entirely sure yet. I have to see about finding any site plans or whatever from the city. So, but I would say it's safe to assume 6 minimum, possible 10, because that's their new standard. So this is just a short little video at this IKEA.
They do have a trench over on the other side.
Ah, Kathy found something that I didn't even see. Ooh, honey, this could be a mega site. Because we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what I think we see here with these 8, right there. Remember when we were at the other location in that's open over by Grand Prairie or somewhere, right? If I remember, they have electric vehicle charging for IKEA vehicles. So
it might be. There's only one pole going up.
Right.
Unlike the other ones, which have what, 2 or 3.
Right. So it's possible that this right here could be for the IKEA level 2 or 3, like 50 kilowatt or level 2 slow charging here for their vehicles. You know, because we did see that there. And we are respecting the fence, so we're not crossing the fence. But that's what I think that is, possibly. Or that could be the EA spots, and over there is...
Yeah, they may be...
You know, something's going on.
But there is spots over here, and I would say...
Yeah.
Those probably are their fleet vehicle charging.
Yeah.
Like the other IKEA that we have been to.
Is that Grand Prairie or somewhere right around there?
I was trying to remember which IKEA that was.
Yeah. It's either Grand Prairie or...
I think it was out Central Express.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
So, yeah, I've been meaning to check this one out for a while, but... Yeah, it's in the early stages, folks. But I assume here that there would be both IKEA fleet charging and, you know, EA charging. So we're probably seeing both at this location. So I'll put it through the little chain link so you can see a little bit there, you know. But, yep. So there's something there. And again, we don't have our mic, so we apologize. So Kathy will have to stay close to the...
I don't speak as loud as he does since he's from New Jersey.
Electric vehicle charging for Electrify America. Electrify America is putting in EV charging here. So I think this is the EA side, but we'll have to see.
Right, and these ones are further spaced out than the ones on the other side, so that probably
means
Means that it's
the EA. Because the way EA does it, they put 2 per pedestal. So, yeah, we'll have to see. But let's see what happens.
yeah.
So,
The beginning of everything. So
God, I love that face.
anyway, it is. But we'll,
Isn't Scarlett's face
well,
beautiful, people?
we'll look into it a little more, you know, later on. We'll check it
Yeah.
again, see what happens, and you know,
We'll
keep
let you
guys
know.
informed.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. And please, let us know in the comments below. I'm also going to have a link eventually to a form thing like Landon's using for Wal-Mart sites. So that way we can be on the same page with everybody. It's a great idea. You know, let us know below what you see in your area, whether it's Walmart, whether it's Electrify America at IKEA, whatever. You know, let us know. All right? Have a great day.